Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you got an old card saved on Vinted. Removing unused payment methods keeps your account secure and clean. It only takes a few steps usually. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually remove the payment or basically a payment method on Vinted in 2026, whether we are using the app or the website itself. Same steps, same platform. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So for example, you are on a phone, Android or even iOS, it's better to go through the Vinted app. Just go through App Store or Play Store, download the app, then log in, go through your profile and settings, then do the same steps I'm gonna do on the website right now. So Vinted.com, all the way here, log in, so you can access this dashboard or settings. Then you can also tap on profile or on settings, it depends on the version you are basically on. Then we're gonna go all the way to payments here. As you will see, you will be able to see all of your payment options, including payout options and the card details. So select the payments or payment methods, then choose the card you want to remove, tap remove or delete, then confirm. You may need at least one active payment method to make purchases, so keep in mind that if you don't have any cards in here or within the app, you won't be able to use the buy-in or maybe also the send option. You should also remove expired cards immediately to avoid payment errors during the checkout, and that's the whole idea here. So that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.